What is this? Say hello?
Hello?
So what are we doing? We're bowling now? Can you bowl?
Yeah.
Can you bowl?
Yeah.
We're gonna have fun, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bowling ball.
A bowling ball. We're gonna get a bowling ball. We have many bowling balls. Yeah. No, why you?
Back. Look. When it's your turn, it's gonna be on your name. So wait. Whose name is it on? Whose name is big? My name is big. You have to wait until it goes back to your name, okay?
Did you call Liana?
Yeah, her phone went straight to voicemail. So I'm gonna go in the bathroom and see if I can find her after I'm.
Jesus. All right, beautiful. That was a beauty. I mean, you gotta have some skills. You know, you gotta have some skills to like play something like that. Do you want me to do I one? I don't know. You can. You gotta shake it.
It's weird.
It's weird. It's like he downloaded the wrong
Daddy
thing.
been shaking all his stuff when it
I've
doesn't
been
work.
shaking. You know, I'm trying
I'm
to
like,
shake
what are you
it.
doing? He's like, it's gonna get a point on my word.
I got 17. You got 6 points, Mommy. Mommy, I did it. Is he gonna do it?
Ah! All right, check it out for Liana. And there she goes in her. Oh, okay, just dropping it. Oh, all right. Woo! Not bad. Not bad. All right, check
All right.
this out.
All right, do a little. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Woo! First one. First one of the day. Hey! Woo!
Nice! You did it! You did it! You did it! You did it! Mind again.
Yep. Yep. For your mom.